All right, so this is going to be making our brown butter panko breadcrumbs for our mac and cheese. Right now, I've got 1 ounce of butter inside of my pan, and all I'm going to do is heat it up. I'm just going to melt that down slowly, and we're just going to want to brown this. Now, one of the problems with browning butter is it has a tendency to burn if you go too fast, and we want these basically the water to evaporate out and those milk solids to start to basically fry inside of the butter fat. So take your time, don't go too fast, just because if it burns, then we have to start all over. So just take your time. You'll notice the butter melts pretty fast. I'm just kind of swirling around, making sure that even heat happens. What you'll notice is as it browns, it'll start getting like a nutty flavor. And again, this is just 1 ounce of butter. We're doing 1 ounce of butter and 1 cup of panko. You can see it's starting to turn a little bit of color, even though this isn't fully melted yet. So just keep an eye on it. I just want to keep it moving so that everything sort of happens together. Don't walk away. Make sure you watch this. As it bubbles, that's your water getting so hot that it's going to start evaporating out. And it's got to get rid of that water so it can start rising in temp to start browning those butter fats. As you can see, it's starting to brown now. That is all we are looking for. We're going to turn off that heat. Now we're going to add our cup of panko in. If you notice, it's just got that little bit of brownness to the bottom. That is all we are looking for. We're going to add a cup of panko in there. We're going to turn back on the heat. And we're just going to toast that all together. So we're going to run this for probably about 2, 3 minutes. Just make sure it's nice toasted. All of that butter is in there and incorporated, and we get that nice flavor. With that, we are going to add just a pinch of garlic salt just to give it a little bit more flavor. Again, we're using unsalted butter for this, which means adding a little bit of salt really will help out. If you actually want to make these even better, you can render off some bacon and use the bacon to toast off all of your breadcrumbs in, and it's absolutely fantastic. Just giving it a little bit of garlic salt. You can see it's getting that nice color on it, that little brownness over here. That's what we're looking for all throughout. We just want to taste it. Keep it moving so it doesn't burn. We just want that nice golden brown throughout. What this does is so when we put it on top of our mac and cheese later, we don't have to wait as long to toast it in the oven because these are already ready to go. If you need to, use a spatula, use a spoon. Just mixing it around, making sure it all comes to temp together. It's starting to get that nice golden brown color in it. I just want to make sure it just keeps moving on that heat so it all toasts evenly. You can see that nice color is really coming in. We don't, again, just watch it for burning. This is not taking long. The more heat you have, the faster this goes, but just take your time. That's our brown butter breadcrumbs. They're nice and toasted now. We're just going to take this off the heat, let it sit and cool down. And once they're ready, we'll package them up. But right now, I'm just trying to let them cool down. Just get that air incorporated and chill it out. But we'll package those up and those will be ready for the end.